even when I put it in, let's see, when I put it in Excel.
It still didn't come out, huh?
Right, that's what I was thinking. 113.
Number. Number 2.
Yeah, it comes out the same as the answer if I put it in Excel, but when I was trying to do it, I just...
Like by hand. Were you trying to do it by hand?
Yeah.
Yeah, I just went through it and made sure like I could understand it, you know, but I didn't actually go through and stick all those in. Which one could you not get?
Computing the test statistics. So where you have to put in P1 minus P2, not the P hat. Sorry. Where up above they used 0 as the answer. I don't know what's off. Anyways, let's take our quiz.
Okay. Did he say anything back on our
I haven't seen anything.
Paper that you turn in? Okay. I talked to my boss yesterday, and she said it would be fine that I could look up all the labor things, and she said, you know, I don't think it would matter if you used Prime-Ips as long as you use some in your both samples, you know, as long as both of them were just random samples.
Right.
And then we're using D5NS, not D5.5NS. So I'm sorry, we can switch that too.
Okay. I'm sure he'll send it back to us and tell us to improve on something. You know. Right.
So on the thing for the hypothesis. Oh, and echo. Bugging me.
The thing for the hypothesis, what?
You know how we had a quiz the last lesson?
Yeah.
I just marked the things we had done.
Right.
So we could do it like 5 times.
That quiz is not due till like the 20-something of March.
Right. I guess I was just wondering if you filled out any of it. I just filled in the things we did because it said we could redo it 5 times. So did it? I don't know.
Right. That's what I did too.
Okay.
So when you put in X1, you're putting in the nose, right?
I'm sorry, what?
So for the, are you taking the quiz?
I'm just barely, yeah, I'm on there.
So tell me what your values are for X1.
Just a minute. Do you mean P1?
Yeah, what are you putting in? Or no, X1 for your inputs in Excel.
Okay, so for P1, I am going to put in 52, or X1, 52. Is that what you're doing? And N1, 70, and X2, 42. Because it's for those who can taste, right?
All right.
Is that what you're doing?
Yeah, that's what I did.
Okay, so what did you get for P hat 1?
I got 0.743.
Same.
So you got?
Yeah.
I got 0.001.
For P2?
Yeah.
I got 0.712. So maybe there's something we did wrong.
Oh, I just had to click out of there. Okay. Good to know. Yes, 0.712.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay. I know, I was like, that's really kind of far off.
It's kind of nice to have another person though. Like sometimes I'm like, I don't, I'm not exactly sure. And then
Right.
if you just make one little mistake, then it's wrong. And
So,
that one's
A.
number 4.
Oh, ooh,
Wait,
right. Oh, right. P hat, sorry.
well, that's confusing to me.
No.
I don't know. I don't remember writing P hat before. You're probably right. Is it number 1?
I was going to say, in the book, it lists it as P1, P2 with no hat.
Okay, that's what I think it is now too. I didn't even look at the hats. I was just looking at the one that said not equal.
Oh.
Okay, so number 1, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so what in the world is the point estimate? Is that the 1.96?
What? Where did you get 1.96?
Isn't that the number that you use for 95%?
Oh, gotcha. I was like,
That's right. I got that, but maybe it's wrong. I don't know.
I was just using the confidence interval on the spreadsheet. Doesn't it give you the answer?
Well, what is the point estimate? What would
That's
you
the
rate?
margin of error. Hmm. For the love of Pete.
I think the first one is 1.96, but I don't know. I'll look it up.
It is, well, if you're talking about the Z estimate or the Z estimate, that.
Yeah, I'm just talking about that question on number 6.
Okay, sounds good. It is
What?
1.960, right?
Right.
Z equals the point estimate, right? What is the margin of error for this 95% confidence interval?
Is that where we take the upper one, subtract the lower one, divide it by 2?
You know, I am.
I'm thinking it's what we did on those last margin of errors. Remember those on those other confidence intervals? But
Yes. And I remember they were a pain in the butt. All right. And I have to go look at my notes, so don't tell me how to do it yet. Is that where you just do it by the square root of p minus 1p over n?
wait, what did you say?
The margin of error, you take the z, or the point estimate, times the square root of the, right?
Okay, so I was thinking, do you remember when we asked that question and you emailed the TA and asked them how to get that margin of error from our last confidence intervals? Do you remember that?
Oh, that's right.
That's what I was thinking that we should do, but
Yeah, let's try that one. I like that easier. It's easier.
yeah, I can't remember how you said to do it though. You take the top, subtract the bottom. Is it divided by 2?
Hold on. I still think I have her email. Seems like you're overthinking it. Yeah, take the upper bound minus the lower bound and divide it by 2.
That's what I'm thinking we should do, but
Hey, I like it. Let's do it. What'd you get?
okay. I haven't gotten it yet. $0.154.
0.154.
Yeah. What are you getting?
That's what I got.
Okay. And then our lower bound, did you get negative 0.123?
Yep.
Upper bound 0.185.
Yep.
Failed to reject the null, right?
Correct.
PSI. And then what'd you put on 11?
4, or D.
Yeah, that's what I chose too. Do you want to do the conditions for like one, and I'll do the conditions for the other one?
What are you talking about?
It says non-number 12. Are you on number 12?
Just put it in your thing and it'll tell you if it's satisfied.
Oh, it will?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was like,
was out on her own. I'm sorry.
This is a trick question.
Like, it's gonna take forever. Okay, so yes, they are, right?
Correct.
True. And this one is number 4. Is that what you're thinking?
Yes.
What did you get for P hat?
0.141.
Okay, same. And 0.145 for your second one?
Yep.
Z-score, negative 2.020.
Yep.
So this is less than.
Right.
To the left, right?
Right.
0.043. Less than, so we will reject the null.
Yes.
I left my food.
I think I put it in the fridge.
Oh, well, that sounds more optimistic. Jared Ludlow, I guess, showed our house. He's had 2 people drop because they said they had to wait 24 hours. But maybe they wouldn't be interested anyway. I need to talk to Clint and just get a firm date, I guess, on when he's going to be out.
He's gonna be out on the 21st, I thought, but I led my meeting.
Oh, did he say the 21st?
I thought you told me that.
Well, that was the start.
Okay. Sorry, my husband just walked in.
No worries. I think we're almost done.
Bye. Love you. Have a good day. He forgot his lunch.
Row.
We're trying to sell. We have a rental that we're trying to sell. So we're just talking about it.
Gotcha. So I picked C for the last one.
Yeah, I agree. Because number 4, it's not the same as. So, yeah.
So we got that point estimate wrong.
Oh, shoot. I don't know what the point estimate is, so. Do you think it's just where you figure out what does it say on it? The point estimate. Do you think it's the one where you do the Z and then in the square root is p hat 1 times y1 minus p hat 1 over n plus p hat 2. You know what I'm saying?
It could be. Oh.
The 1.96 is by
A point estimate plus or minus the margin of error.
the number total d plus
Okay. The point estimator. What is the point estimate for the 95% confidence interval? I don't know.
I'm just going to try something out and I'll see if I get it right.
Okay.
And then I'll tell you if I do. If I miss it, then we'll know.
Yeah.
Sorry, it's just taking me a minute.
No, you're okay. I'm totally fine.
I'm going to try the 0.169.
How did you come up with that?
Shoot, that's messed up. What was the answer to number 3? I just put the wrong answer in there.
Number 3 is 0.743.
Number 3, 0.743.
Yep.
I'm wondering if the point estimate and
Is the average of those two?
I think it's the 1.96 times by the square root of the P1. Let me just see if I even get it right.
Okay.
I'm probably overthinking it and it's probably wrong anyway.
No worries.
I just thought maybe I could figure it out for us. Let's see, 1 minus 0.743. I'm doing it one more time because I think I made a mistake. That's why I think I'm making it too hard. Yeah, I still don't think I'm doing right. 0.
What did you put in?
I'm gonna try 0.158, but I still think maybe it's wrong.
Okay, let me know what you get, and then we'll
Well,
go there.
I missed it. So
I'm wondering if it's the opposite.
did you miss 18 too? I missed 18.
You missed 18.
Uh-huh.
How
I
did
put
you miss 18?
0.043.
No, I put 0.022.
Yeah, I got a different answer than you.
How did we not go over that one?
I don't know. There it is. Yeah, I just didn't do that one right because I did but I only took mine once so far, so I'll go in and change it. But that point estimate, I have no idea what they're asking for. Do you?
Well, I'm wondering if they're asking us to do like x1 plus x2 divided by n1 plus n2. So that's what I'm going to try this time.
Okay.
And then we'll see if that's right. Because I'm with you. I'm not 100% sure.
And then otherwise, we're just going to have to ask, I guess.
Yeah, I mean, we got a 95, so I'm not super upset.
This one, I just looked it up on Google. Another way to say this is that the sample mean is the best point estimate of the true value. But do we have a sample mean?
So I think that's what the one that I was talking about.
Okay. That X, what did you say? The P1 minus P2?
X1 plus X2 divided by N1 plus N2.
I don't know that one, I guess.
So it talks about it in the book. Hold on, I can show you what I'm talking about. Let me just finish writing all my answers down.
So on that last one that I put the p-value wrong, I didn't change my type of test. You know how you have to do it less than?
Yeah.
One was not equal to P2. So that's why I missed it. I just didn't change.
Oh, gotcha. Okay. Okay, let me attempt this again. Did you want to see what I was talking about?
I believe you. I can look it up.
No, but do you know what I'm talking about though?
No, like I don't understand what they're asking, I guess, but.
Well, I don't either, but the one thing I was going to go off of was I don't know if I can even find it. Oh, okay. That's maybe why all my formulas weren't loading. So, the overall sample proportion, hold on. Let me share my screen real fast. So this thing right here, the overall sample proportion where you do x1 plus x2 divided by n1 plus n2.
Oh, okay.
So that's what I'm going to try. So.
And that gives you your sample proportion.
I don't know. We're going to try it. We get 2 tries, right?
That's right. Worth it. I mean, you can't do any worse, and 90% isn't bad. I just want to figure out how to do it.
Right. Oh, it's only allowing us one.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Great. I swear I saw 2 when I first started it.
I know, normally it does that. What am I doing? Oh, I'm in economics. That's why.
Oh, good.
Oh my goodness. For the love of Pete. Sorry.
Doing that last time, I was having a hard time when I went on my trip. I was just like, could hardly pay attention.
I know it's so hard to be on a trip when you're in school.
I know. My husband just really wanted to do it right then, but
Yeah.
it's nice to get away from everything for a little bit.
Right. Well, you know what? You still have to, you know, do what you can do. Sorry, this is going to take me a minute to fill in all my answers.
You're fine. I'm gonna go back and fix mine anyway because of 18. So
Okay, I'm submitting it. Let's see. What answer was it? No, still wrong. So maybe we need to solve for the 95% confidence. So try that one and see.
that's what I put in. I put in the 1.96.
No, isn't there like a z times the square root of p hat over 1 minus p?
Yeah,
Here.
that's the one that I tried to do. But I
No.
calculations. I did the P1 times 1 minus P1 over the number plus P2. You know which one I'm talking about?
Right.
But I did get 2 different answers, so maybe I just got the wrong answer.
Oh.
I just thought I got it right the second time. Maybe we could both do it and see. I can see what you get.
I put in 0.729 because I did the x1 plus x2 divided by n1 minus plus n2, and I got 0.729, and that's not correct. So it's got to be something else. Oh, or do you want me to put in the see what I get? Is that what you're telling me? All right, hold on, I'll do that.
For that other problem and see what number you get.
Okay. Okay, hold on. Um, I got 0.154.
And I I did 0.158, but I didn't I had to figure out smaller numbers.
Right, so try 0.154 and see if that works. If not, we're gonna call it good.
Yeah, I'm good.
Maybe email him.
I'll just ask him how you figured out. I'm sure it will come up again.
Right.
Every time there's one I don't know, it seems like we get it again.
Right.
Wait, what did you get?
0.154.
And that's what we got on number 7, right?
Yes, that's the margin of error.
So,
Oh, no.
so wait, that's not the point estimate. How did we get the margin of error?
It's on the, is
Is it just written up here?
it on there?
I don't see it. But I have different numbers in now.
No, I don't think it is.
Upper, we did the upper minus the lower, remember?
Oh, right.
Divided by 2. That gives us the same number.
So much easier than the stinking formula that you have to put in.
Yeah, that's way easier, isn't it?
Yes.
Same thing. Okay, now I kind of understand that. But I still don't know how to get the point estimate. I don't know.
I don't either.
So I'm going to put in the standard deviation, which I'm sure isn't it.
Yeah, that's, no.
I just want it done. I think I'll maybe ask someone if they know.
Yeah, I don't know either. Oh. Anywho, all right, we will see you Thursday.
Okay. Let me know if he sends that paper back and what we need to do. You can just email me.
Yeah, for sure.
That Katie Heaton, the one at MSN, that's the one that I look at all the time. So
Okay.
that one's easier.
All right, okay. Sounds good. I'll try and send you a text when I send you an email. So.
Okay, that'd be great. Then I'll know to look.
Yeah. So. All right, we'll see you later.
Okay.
Have a good day. Bye.